Latanique Harris, and I am the CEO and founder of this wonderful preschool program. Hello.
I would like to ask you some questions today.
Okay.
What is your favorite part of Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool?
My favorite part of the preschool would be bringing my lesson plans to life and seeing the spark of creativity in all the kids' eyes. Even my older kiddos that are in elementary, 5th and 6th grade, which middle school is as well, they love seeing me bring my entire lesson to life and being able to dance and seeing all the crafts that we do and everything. They end up telling me, I wish I was in preschool still.
Okay. What is Unity Encouraged?
Unity Encouraged is an affordable online program that offers children ages 3 to 5 years old pre-recorded preschool lessons, and we just added in Unity clubs where you can invite your siblings to come and join the clubs.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
What inspired you to make this program?
What inspired me was seeing my 5-year-old daughter graduating from my preschool for preschool, and we assumed that she was going to go to kindergarten after this. So we started to apply her for kindergarten out here where we live at in Arizona, and they rejected her application because her birthday was not in September, it's in December, so she was still too young to be able to join kindergarten, so she was going to have to wait another year. So instead of waiting another year, she started crying and was sad. So I decided to take my entire living room and turn it into a preschool area. So I called it pre-K. And once I did that, she was so happy. She learned so much. She learned how to count. She learned how to do everything. And it turned out to be like a homeschooling type of program where it's easily accessible for parents that are on the go, that need to go anywhere at any time and don't have the time to actually drop their kids off at a school and come back to pick them up and everything, So I would say Miss Hayden Brown is the one that inspired me to even come up with this program.
That's also wonderful. Okay. How do you manage to put all these programs together?
Oh, my children. If I didn't have my kiddos, this program would not even be possible. I did not have the money to afford to be able to hire other teachers and stuff like that within the program because we hadn't gotten any students yet. So instead of trying to hire teachers, I went to my kiddos, and they have a lot of talents and they have a lot of things that they like to do and know how to do really well that I sometimes don't even have any idea that they know how to do. And I asked them if they wanted to help me inside of the program and teach a class. And they were so excited. I'm like, you will get paid for it. You're going to be on payroll. And they got super excited and they decided to help me. So my daughter has a lip gloss business. She's 11 years old and her name is Kyla Brown, and she teaches art club here. She loves to sketch and she loves to draw, so she figured that she can take her sketching and drawing skills and teach it to other little kiddos so they can be more creative and learn how to draw from a young age. And my son, he has a cooking business, but it's online. So he creates cookbooks, and he decided to share his cooking lessons with the kiddos. So what we're going to do is make non-bake recipes. So the kids don't have to use the oven or anything, and he helps them and inspires them to be cooks or anything like that. We watch, what is that show again?
MasterChef Junior.
We watch MasterChef Junior every single night from the very beginning season all the way to the season that we are in now, and we watch it every night while we're eating dinner. The kiddos help me cook in the kitchen and everything, so we just decided to take everything that we can do on a daily basis and all of our regular talents and put it in together and create something inside the preschool. And that's how I'm able to manage being the owner, the founder, the principal, the teacher, the mom, the janitor, the everything. So that's how I'm able to manage everything.
Thank you, Latanique, for being here and letting us interview today.
You are so welcome. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Bye. See you later.
Tape 1.
Hi, my name is Kyla, and I'm the art club teacher.
Hello, Kyla. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
You are 11 years old and you teach art club?
Yep.
Now that is amazing. Okay. So, how long have you been teaching art club?
I've been teaching art club for 1 year now.
1 whole year? And what inspired you to start teaching art club with Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool?
Well, my sister Hayden, she couldn't go to preschool right away because her kindergarten right away because her birthday was late. So she was really upset. So Miss Harris, my mom, turned her whole living room into a preschool. So I decided to want to learn how to teach kids how to draw.
Oh, that's really cool. So your sister is what inspired you, huh?
Yep.
That's really cool. So do you like drawing or sketching or anything like that?
I love sketching all the time and drawing because I'm really good at drawing.
You're really good at drawing? Do you know how to draw human people or do you just know how to draw like animals and food?
I know how to draw like humans and sometimes animals and food.
Oh, that's super cool. Okay. So where do you make up the art lessons by yourself or do you go somewhere else to do the art lessons?
Well, I use YouTube from Art for Kids Hub and Epic Heroes Art Studio.
Oh, wow. That is really cool. Okay. What is something that you really like about Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool?
I like how we bring all the kids together.
Bringing all the kids together?
Yep.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's something that's super cool that we don't see happening a lot, right?
Yeah.
So when you bring all the kids together, it's what?
Amazing.
Amazing. It's a wonderful family, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kyla, for joining us here today and talking to us a little bit about this wonderfully awesome program.
You're welcome.
See you next time.
Bye. My name's Anthony and I teach cooking club.
Hi, Anthony. How old are you?
I'm 9.
You're 9 years old and you teach cooking club?
Yes.
What is your favorite part
I
of
don't-
Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool?
I don't really have a favorite part. I like everything about it.
You like all the classes there?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of recipes do you guys cook inside of cooking club?
We make salads and sometimes we bake our very own pizzas at home.
Oh my goodness. Do you guys use the oven or the microwave for any of your recipes?
Not really, but if you have an adult, you can follow one of the cake recipes.
Did you got what is one of the favorite recipes that you made instead of?
My red cake, I had red icing, and on the side wasn't really covered with icing. That's the one that we really needed parents with.
Oh, that's super cool. Do you have any pictures or anything that we'll be able to see later on?
Maybe, I don't really remember. It's like a long time ago.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Anthony, for coming here and doing this wonderful interview with us and talking about this amazing program.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Hello, my name is Hayden and I am a student and bookmark creator.
Hello, Hayden.
Hello.
So, I have a few questions for you if you don't mind. Would you like to answer some questions for me?
Sure.
Okay. What is your favorite part of Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool?
Mine's the library.
The library?
Because bookmarks go with books and I love reading them.
You do?
Yeah.
I love that you love reading. So, what are some classes that you take at Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool? Art club?
Art club,
Uh-huh.
cooking club,
Mm-hmm.
um, book club,
Mm-hmm. Good job.
and reading comprehension.
Yes. Do you like reading comprehension class?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Is that how you learned how to read?
Yeah.
Is that why you love to read?
Yeah.
Okay, that is perfect. I have one more question.
Yeah. What's it?
What is your favorite class at Unity Encouraged Virtual Preschool? Because we have
Art
preschool
class.
classes too, so which one is your favorite?
Art class.
Art?
Yeah.
Why do you like art club? What is it? What is about art club that makes you love it so much?
It's because painting is fun for little kids.
It really is. Do you get to use paintbrushes or your fingers?
Paint brushes and sometimes our fingers.
Yeah, that's so cool, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you for coming over here today and doing this wonderful, awesome interview with us today. I'll see you later, okay?
Bye.
Bye.